I don't even know how I come across the guy posting alert every day, because that platform was like 2 times in the week. That was how the paid was done. Right? So actually prime share, yeah. The guy said join today, you cash out by the next payout day, which was on Thursday, and that day was on Tuesday. That means by join today, I will use today and Wednesday to make the money and cash it out on Thursday. That was when I was serving, right? I used my last 4K in the account to register on this platform. I know that you must have been seeing a lot of videos like this on your YouTube, your TikTok, your Facebook, your influencer like Chloe Clam, Purple Speedy, all of them like that, promoting those platforms called Pinnacle. Is it Pinnacle? I don't know, guys. So I'm not going to tell you it's a scam, it's real, apply those, register, blah blah blah. I'm not going to tell you all of those stuff like that. I'm going to tell you my honest review about this platform, and if you actually want to venture into it, it's your choice. So I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this platform to you, and it will not be your decision to know whether I need to venture into it or you need to back up, right? So let's get straight to the point. But wait, though, have you cashed out your first 1 million naira on Pinnacle? If you have not, know that you're missing out. Let's even know what this platform is all about first, and the various ways in which you can earn this money. So I can actually tell you whether I need to go into it or you don't need to go into it. I'm just going to add you straight to my Chrome browser, and before I actually tell you about that, whenever you heard about any platform, please do well to make your research. Yeah, don't allow anyone to deceive you. So make your research first. Carry on some research. They'll tell you, register today and cash out tomorrow, this one, that one. Make out your research first to actually know what works for you, if you need to go or not, right? So coming here, you can see the first post here. Let's just click on the sponsored post. You can see Pinnacle, a name that embody leadership, excellence, and elevate you to the peak of success. Join Pinnacle, okay? So let's actually know what this Pinnacle is all about. Pinnacle is a digital platform that pays handsomely for social media engagement. Pinnacle reward effort and also helps in the monetization of socials, acquiring of high income digital skills, marketplace to sell out your physical and digital products, so much more. Pinnacle is oil money, is oil of the 21st century. Oh, I'm feeling so emotional right now. Wait, have you joined Pinnacle? Oh, yeah, like me, they play. So you can just see join Pinnacle, then let's just see how this platform actually works and the various ways in which you can actually earn money on this platform. So this is how Pinnacle works, right? So these are the breakdowns of the platform, but let's just come to register on Pinnacle. So you can actually register with a one-time payment of 8,500 if you are from Nigeria, and trust me, this is not only limited to people in Nigeria. If you are from Ghana, Uganda, some of this country here, you can actually register for Pinnacle, right? So after registration, you automatically get a kickback of, let's say, cashback of 7,000. That means if you use 8,500 to register on Pinnacle, they'll give you a cashback or a bonus of 7,000 naira, which is actually very nice, right? So it's just been breakdown to you guys here, like in different currency. I'm not going to go into that. Watch and earn. So you earn 1,200 naira on the video that you watch it on the platform by streaming videos online daily. Wow, it's actually very okay. Premium game, you earn 500 naira daily. It's nice. Solana coins, you earn 0.05 Solana coin, that's equivalent to $7 daily. Pinnacle TikTok pay, you earn 750 naira per 1,000 views on video promoting Pinnacle on TikTok. That means if you actually promote Pinnacle on TikTok, you are going to earn 1,750 naira per 1K view. You don't just need the followers, right? You just need to promote the video and get views and you get paid. Pinnacle puzzle game, you can make as much as 5,000 naira daily. Imagine calculating all this daily, 5,000 naira daily, plus let's say you get 1,750 per 1K views. All of this money, you know how much you actually make in a day on this platform. What does it take to join? Just need a smartphone and a strong internet connection. You are good to go, and these are the benefits attached to it. You get paid twice. That's 3 times in a week. There is no age barrier. Even if you are 1 year old plus, that's what they are saying, that you can actually join Pinnacle and start making money. Then you also learn AI income skills, provided services for people and get paid. Imagine when you go there and you learn a digital course like or how to run advert on Facebook, all those stuff like YouTube monetization, all of those stuff like that. And tomorrow you can be making a video, a pre-recorded video, and send it out to people, and they pay you for it. You understand? It's actually very, very amazing. So Pinnacle is the blah 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 register now. This is actually someone's sponsored post. So you actually click to register to take you to the person WhatsApp. But trust me, if you want to register on Pinnacle, don't register on the site, because most of them are scam. If you click on them to register, they might actually, not register you, tell you that they have not seen the money. But I'm going to tell you, do you really need to join Pinnacle? Is it really a scam? Are people really making money? Do I need to join, or don't I need to join? The answer is left for you to make. I've told you the breakdown of how this platform works, the benefit, and I'm going to tell you that Pinnacle's people are actually making a whole lot of money on this app, yeah, on this platform. There are some people that are making 1 million naira in the first 2 hours or 1 hour that this platform was launched. I'm going to tell you how it was possible for these people to make this amount of money so that you not get deceived by that. Those people that you see cashing out every single day, or they cash out in the first 2 hours that this platform was launched, they already have people. Like, they have been doing this kind of, like, they have been into this kind of platform for long, and they have downline. Downline are the people that registered with them before the platform was already launched. They already have people that they have actually registered, like people that already paid money to them, to be registered on the platform. So don't be deceived. See, this platform are like, you see all this money you make 5,000 today, you cannot withdraw this money. This money will be there. They will tell you maybe they can pay you 30th of every month, first in every month, second week of every month. And at the end of the day, it's only few downlines. It's not people that are top earners on the platform that they can pick 2 or 3 of their downlines to get paid, and not even everybody on the site. So it's left for you to, take the risk. If you actually want to take the risk, the only way you can be making millions or thousands of naira on this platform is actually when you take someone to the platform and you register the person, and the person register another person. Now that you'll be getting your downlines money, or you'll be making your money. Aside from that, this post earn 5K daily. You are not getting the money daily. You are not withdrawing it immediately. And when it's time to pay, the site will get traffic jam. So don't be deceived. It's still your choice. So my advice to you is that even though you are good at referral, you can still decide to join, because that's the only way you can be making this money. That's the only way you can be cashing out 3 times in a week. But if you're not good at referrals, the reason why I saw this platform is because, not like me, by now I've gone far, I will become one of the vendors on any of this platform. I had to make my money times 2. In fact, what's times 2? So I had to make money. If I join this platform, sometime in a week, in 3 days, I've made 100 and something K. As little as I was, I just started affiliate marketing then. I stopped because my conscience was actually blaming me. At the end of the day, I made my money. How about the people I brought into the business? Oh, God punish you. And some of them uses their last card to register, and you promise them heaven and earth. At the end of the day, they will get paid. And when they have not get paid, it's a cost. Like, I have that conscience. That's my stuff. I try to venture into content creating. Please, if you don't have that kind of mind, like some people that has it, please don't venture into it. And you know that you have street mouth to market to people for them to register, for you to make your money. It's okay. You can tell to join. It's not a scam. It's good, but the choice is yours. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Have you already joined, or are you planning to join? Let me know how this will actually impact you about this platform. Right? Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.